have on a practice ride. You go, baby. We see your little snoot. Yes, you kind of disappeared there. Hi, sweetie. Oh, good girl. Practice drive to Safeway. Then we'll take her home. Non-horse people might not understand, but this is one of my proudest moments. You a good baby, yeah. You a good baby. Took Ella this morning because we have the trailer from hauling my sister's horse until a couple hours from now. Thought I'd practice with her and she hopped right on. Such a good girl. All right, we're gonna get driving. We're just gonna lap the town, come back and unload and put her back. Hi, I know. You're a little anxious, but she's a good girl. Nice and muddy. Good girl. Please do not kick her, Ashley. Hi, Ella. He's exploring. You good boy. Oh, let's fix your leg up here. Here, pick up your foot. Oh, you got it again. Through. There you go, bud. Good boy. I know you're a little put out. He's a little put out because he's tied up. But we just have to be very careful to train him about the chickens. And so he's loose when I can pay attention. But I'm mucking out stalls right now. So he is tied while I'm not directly paying attention, just in case. I'd rather make sure we take lots of time to definitely introduce him to the idea that chickens are friends, not food, huh? Now, he's not typically one to go after anything, but I don't want him to eat them, especially since they're not even mine, and they're pets more than foods. They're not like meat chickens, they're pet chickens. So yes, that's what we're doing. Slow introduction, and when I can pay attention, he's loose. But when I'm mucking out and doing stuff, and I'm the only adult. Oops. I have to explain. Oh no! What are you doing? Are you raiding the salt licks? You wild girl! Go put those salt licks back, you goose. You just want to lick them? Can you please put them back in the stalls where they live? It's all right. I'm not hosing you off. Please tell me. I don't have to take a bath. Miles, he was worried he has to take a bath for a minute. Oh, Rusty Roo. Mucking out with the kids. Oh, lovely. Spider web touching. Yep. Guys get clean 6 days a week, which is good. And I have 2 of those days. Rusty Roo. A big horse spends evenings in here, or overnight. And then Rusty lately has been turning out in here during the day, which works well. Oh, can you see the vultures? That's a lot of them. They're circling somewhere out in the back pasture, so hopefully just some kind of rodent, but we'll go check it out.